Alright, we're back for another video of how to cut something open. Somebody asked us, how do you cut open a cricket ball, or a cock ball they called it. So we bought one. I've never seen one of these before. It's a, I don't know what it is, guaranteed 5.5 ounce club, hand sewn, genuine leather. Has these weird strings on it. And it's kind of a leather feel, but I don't really know what's going to be inside of there. So let's check it out. Let's see, so we're still not that fancy here. We still only have my little clamp and the ball. So let's throw it on here, see what happens here. There you
Dad,
go.
I want you to cut
closer. What do you want?
I want you to cut it like...
I'm thinking we're going to cut it right down here,
Yeah,
not down,
right there.
not down the line. So let's do that. Okay, we've had a few problems trying to get it on here. I think we're pretty close. We're smashing it. It smashes pretty easily. It's going to be interesting to see what's in here. Hopefully our little knife will get this. Alright, okay. So here we go. We got our little saw. It's getting kind of rusty from all of our little activities. And
that?
Let's cut it.
It's pretty easy to cut.
The leather part is fairly easy. It is moving a little bit though. Woo! Something a little thicker now. I think it's,
Yellow.
I'm guessing it's like baseball. It's like a yarn, maybe.
Yellow.
Yeah, it's like kind of yellow. It's a
So
little
the
softer.
black chocolate is kind of like in baseball.
Almost. Ooh, it wants to come out. Should we open it up? Whoa, that's weird.
Like a tennis ball.
It does look, you're right, Claire, it does look kind of like a tennis ball. It's like the yellow color of a tennis ball.
Oh, it's inside! Oh, it's so close. It's inside yet. It looks pretty weird. Oh, it's inside! You're so close. Yeah, whoa!
Okay, so it's like a, I don't know. It's like this yarny stuff.
With this rubber, with this hard ball inside of it.
Yeah, we should probably get into that hard ball. It's like, it really is soft. It's like soft.
You almost cut it.
Material.
You started cutting it a little.
So then
Then
this,
you stopped.
that ball's not even round. It's like,
That's the black
there's edges
one.
on it. So let's give that a try. Let's see if we can get rid of this black.
That's the black one when you started cutting
Yeah.
it.
Yep. Just over halfway through.
Over halfway.
Yoo! Oh my gosh. Woo, that stinks. Check this out. It's like there's metal inside of it.
You can't see it.
Look at that. There's some kind of metal. Do you see that?
Oh! It's golden.
There's like metal and then a hole. I mean, it's like a bubble was in there. That's what that loud noise was.
The metal.
It's metal on metal.
It's a sad face.
Sad face. So I guess.
Oh, I get that. Look at it.
So mystery kind of solved. We'll have to Google it and see what else is in there, but it gives you a look at it. You've got this yarn stuff. Of course, the leather ball with the stitches.
Looks like the stitches are kind
And
of
then
black.
this ball that has like bumps on the outside of it.
And
really
metal
hard.
inside of it.
And metal, yeah. That's strange. Well, guys, now we know what's inside of a cricket ball, even though we've never played cricket before. I don't know if we ever will, but at least we know what's inside the ball, kind of. So there we go.